everyone, my name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining my channel today. Today I am unboxing my October IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So as you guys know, the IPSY bags have gone up in price. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have many others to watch. I do a lot of subscription unboxings and different shopping hauls. So please feel free to check out some of my other videos. But for now, let's get into this bag. So when you get the Glam Bag Plus, this is how it comes in your mailer. And this is how the design for the Glam Bag Plus is for the month of October. You got the black lips with the green tongue. And we're going to get right into this thing here. So I have 5 products that come in this bag here. And we do get some sort of card that comes in here. Sometimes they have information on the card about what's in your bag. Sometimes you just get makeup tips. So it just talks about on this particular one, the next Glam Bag X, which is going to be in collaboration with Huda. So I can't wait for that one to come out. So that's something to look forward to. But they also have some makeup tips in here. If any of you care, you get the bag, you can check it out yourself. So guys, I'm going to pull out my first product out my bag. The first thing I'm pulling out is this product here. This is Go To the Removalist with a Kaolin clay and zinc oxide. This is a detoxifying clay mask that you use for your face. I love clay masks, especially like if I'm having breakouts or, you know, you're extremely oily and you're having breakouts. Clay masks work very well for me. So I've never heard of this brand before though, so this is my first time experiencing this brand. But basically, based on the packaging, it says face feeling a bit clogged, a bit overused, a bit unloved, a bit dull and congested, cranky, shiny, or meh. We all know that feeling, so we made this clarifying mask for big time clean outs, no pore left behind, and without the tight clay after feels. So that's great for me who likes to do spa day every week. So this would be something else for me to try. I do not have the cost for this product on hand, but I will look it up and insert it in the video for you guys. But this is the Removalist Kaolin Detoxifying Clay Mask. So that's product number 1. The next product that I have is IPSY. This is clearly a brow pencil. You can tell by the top. And we have a BB brow pencil. It's in dark brown. And I've never heard of IPSY or IPSY. I don't know. I might be pronouncing it wrong more than likely. But I do use brow pencils every day. So I will give this one a try. Hopefully it's the dark enough shade for me. I'm going to try and see if I can open this real quick to show you guys how dark this one is. Because some of them say dark brown, and then when you go to use them, they're really not that dark. And even after you use them a few times, let's see where our pencil is. So here's our pencil, and yep, see, it's there, but you got to keep pressing. So this is how it came out when I used the brow pencil. So I'm not overly overwhelmed at this point because it seems like you have to keep pressing hard and going over the same spot twice. But that's how it came out for the brow pencil. So I'll give it a try, but I'm already kind of not impressed that much. But I mean, it's still pretty dark for a brow, so it may surprise me when I go to do my brows. So I'll leave my opinion for when I actually use it. So the next product that I have is an About Face. This is the Light Lip Lock Lip Gloss. It's a lot to say. Light Lock Lip Gloss. So this is made by About Face, and I remember this is a Halsey's company. So let's see what color we have. It does not say on the box what color this is, does it? Ah! It's Angel on Fire. So Angel on Fire is the color, and I do see some iridescent glitters in here. Let's kind of see. This is a light color. I think it'll look pretty good. I'm gonna just try a little bit out in the middle. What you guys think? Do you see it? You think it's nice? If you don't like it, just say so. But I'm just trying it out. There's lip gloss. I like using lip gloss anyway, so I'll make it work either way. So I love getting lip gloss, so this is another one to add to my stash. So I'll be using this one as well. And the next product that I have, guys, is the Wander Staycation Hydrating Mask. So Wander Beauty, we have gotten quite a few of their products in IPSY before. If you have not received them, you're probably going to get them if you're signed up. So this is a hydrating mask here. And I'm not familiar with this particular product, but basically minimum effort, maximum results. This one is the ultimate hydration staycation with our immensely moisturizing 3-in-1 mask, moisturize and skin treatment. This powerful combination of peptides with ceramides to help improve skin texture and prevent moisture loss for long-lasting hydration. I think that's pretty dope. I mean, we're going into the fall at this point, so we do need more moisture. And I like the fact that I do have a mask that I can run to, or go to rather, and kind of seal in the moisture as the winter months kind of kick in and the weather gets a little cooler, as we've experienced this week, where we went from 80 degrees to 60 degrees or 50 degrees at night, based on where you are. But East Coast is just bananas. The weather's crazy. But next product we got, guys, is the Dermalogica. I have used this brand before. I've used the retinol. So the product that I have here is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. So this one I have not used. So basically it's a serum that we put on at night. We've already figured that part out. Our overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull looking skin. Focuses on lines, fine lines rather, wrinkling and large pores, great for age spots and uneven tones, multitasking facial and decollect applications. So this is great. So you got something to help work on brightening up some dull areas of your skin, as well as spots, acne spots, or age spots, or wrinkles if that's you. Not me quite yet, but I can't wait to try this out of my nighttime regimen. So I know this is supposed to be a pretty pricey company, so this is probably a decent amount in terms of how much it is. Now I honestly believe that these other two products are add-ons, but I honestly don't remember, so I'm gonna just show them to you anyway. So I got a Farrah lip gloss here. And this is the color that I have. And does it say what color it is? It is Tiffany is the color. So you see we have a little bit of pinkishness here, like a nude lip. I think this would be great for. The next product that I have is Sugar. This is their Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm, which I think is interesting. Tipsy Lips. So I do need balms in the winter time because my lips, you know, that cold weather, but you just got a great balm here. Really great. So that is my bag, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got great things in your bags. If you want, you know, let me know what's in your bags and things that you liked out of this October bag. I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, it was a mixture for me of just skincare and a mixture of makeup, so I can't be, you know, too unhappy. I think it's a fair balance for me anyway. So we got some brows, we got some lips, we got some mask, and we got a serum. So I'm pretty happy with that. So my bag was supposed to have $169 value. I think for what I paid for my bag and what I received, I'm very satisfied with the products that's in it. So guys, thanks for watching today. There's other videos in my video repertoire for you guys to check out. I will be back with another unboxing. Please stay tuned. And until next time, stay beautiful, my loves. Bye.